So I'm here in the Gigabyte booth looking at the new lineup from both Aero and the Aorus. We have the Aeros on the top shelf here, and then we have the Aorus Elite and the Aorus Master, and these things are spec'd out really well. We have Thunderbolt 5, we have access to 4 RAM slots on the Aorus Master and 3 SSD M.2 slots, so a lot of great spec out for these units. Some of the different models will be featuring both AMD and Intel, so keep an eye out. The models coming out, more information will be coming out on these different models, but looking really good for the Aero series. I mean, more friendly on the go, going to be right around 1.6 kilograms in weight, so light, thin, really good looking model, aluminum top cover and bottom cover, nice minimal design on the keyboard, a nice large trackpad. These are manual click trackpads, so no haptic trackpads on these devices. And then for the 18, I mean, this is going to be a workstation, a desktop replacement of a laptop. So definitely something to be considering if you're looking for a serious powerhouse of a laptop. So that's a little update from the Gigabyte booth. Hoping to get some samples to run some benchmarks. I want to see Gigabyte get some really great performance matched with the really good spec outs that they've been showing off. Definitely click or tap the screen here for more videos. If you want to check out that Intel Core Ultra video I've been talking about, some huge updates on efficiency and performance here at CES 2025. I'll see you on the next video.